Introduction. Welcome to our tutorial on how to create a website. In this video, we will be walking you through the entire process, from start to finish. Whether you're looking to create a personal blog, an online store, or a business website, this tutorial will cover all the basics. Step 1. Choose a domain name. The first step in creating a website is choosing a domain name. This is the address that people will use to find your website, such as www.yourdomain.com. When choosing a domain name, try to make it memorable and easy to spell. You can purchase a domain name from a variety of registrars, such as GoDaddy or Namecheap. Step 2. Choose a hosting provider. Once you have your domain name, you'll need to choose a hosting provider. This is the company that will store your website files and make them accessible to the internet. Some popular hosting providers include Bluehost, HostGator, and SiteGround. When choosing a hosting provider, consider factors such as uptime, customer support, and pricing. Step 3. Install WordPress. WordPress is a popular content management system, CMS, that makes it easy to create and manage a website. It's a free, open source platform that can be used to create all types of websites. To install WordPress, you'll need to log into your hosting account and use the one-click installation feature. Once installed, you'll be able to access the WordPress dashboard, where you can customize your website's appearance and functionality. Step 4. Choose a theme. WordPress themes are pre-designed templates that you can use to give your website a specific look and feel. There are thousands of free and paid themes to choose from, and you can easily install them by going to Appearance Greater Than Themes in your WordPress dashboard. Consider factors such as mobile responsiveness, design, and customization options when choosing a theme. Step 5. Add content. Now that your website is set up, it's time to add content. You can create pages and posts using the built-in WordPress editor. To add a new page or post, go to Pages or Posts in your dashboard and click on the Add New button. You can also add media such as images and videos to make your website more visually appealing. Step 6. Customize your website. With your content added, you can now customize your website to make it truly unique. You can use the WordPress customizer to change things like your site title, logo, and color scheme. You can also use plugins to add extra functionality, such as forms, contact forms, and social media integration. Step 7. Launch your website. Once you're happy with your website, it's time to launch it. You can do this by going to Settings Greater Than General in your WordPress dashboard and changing the website address to your domain name. This will make your website live and accessible to the public. Conclusion. Creating a website can seem like a daunting task, but with the right tools and guidance, it's easy to do. By following these steps, you'll be able to set up a website that's professional, functional, and easy to manage. Remember to always keep your website updated and to continue to add new content to keep your visitors engaged. And that's it, now you have your own website. Thanks for watching.